everyone, so for today's video, we're going to learn the basic numbers in Bahasa Malaysia. So first is number 1, satu. Satu. Number 2 is dua. Dua. Number 3 is tiga. Tiga. Number 4 is empat. Empat. Number 5 is lima. Lima. Number 6 is enam. Enam. Number 7, tujuh. Tujuh. Number 8 is lapan. Lapan. And number 9 is sembilan. Sembilan. And number 10 is simpulo. Simpulo. I have these 7 essential Malay greetings for Dubai's travels. First is hello or hi. Second, apa kabar? How are you? Third, selamat pagi. Good morning. Number 4, selamat tengah hari. Good afternoon. 5, selamat petang. Good evening. Number 6, selamat malam. Good night. And 7, selamat tinggal. Bye-bye or goodbye. So for now, let's go and color and how to pronounce in Bahasa Malaysia. So first is black, hitam, blue, biru, brown, coklat, gray, kilabo, green, hijau, hijau, orange, jingga, purple is ungu, red is merah, white is putih, putih, yellow, kuning, kuning. So let's go into days and how to pronounce in Bahasa Malaysia. So Sunday is Ahad, Ahad. Monday, and Sin, Tuesday, Selasa, Wednesday, Rabu, Thursday, Kamis, Kamis, Friday, Jumaat, Jumaat, Saturday, Sabtu, Sabtu,